Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. Did you know WhatsApp has a built-in translation feature that lets you translate messages instantly? No need for extra apps. In this video I'll show you how to use it step by step. Let's get started. First, check if your iPhone supports translation. WhatsApp built-in translation works on iPhone with iOS 15 or later. If your device is up to date, you are good to go. Open WhatsApp app and go to chat. Type your message in WhatsApp text input field. Select the text and tap translate from the pop-up menu. Choose the target language and your message will be translated. Tap replace with translation, then send. And your translate messages is delivered instantly. You can also translate your conversation partner's messages. Copy the message you want to translate, then paste it into text input field, select it, and translate it the same way. Choose the language you want to translate to. The translate text will appear instantly. That's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.